By the way, I'm Wada. So, I'm from Camellia. So, kung familiar na mo sa ako way before, I'm from Camellia. And now, we are bringing here to Tagbilaran City our newest venture, which is our condominium na development. So, we actually tagged that project as the first in Tagbilaran City because true enough, although murag dili kita ang first no na naka-introduce sa atong condominium development here in Tagbilaran, but we really wanted to be the first gyud to deliver, di ba, here in Tagbilaran City because aware ta kung what happened in the past. So that's why to address the growing demand of housing here in Bohol, most especially no na daghan kaayong nangita what's new about Vistaland because Vistaland is our mother company, and then si Camellia is another flagship na brand of Vistaland. So that's why now, si newest condo na to is under Vista Manors. So, still under Vistaland, but with the new brand now, which is Vista Manors. So, that's why, bato akong giingon, to address the growing demand of housing here in Bohol, daghan kayong nangita, what's new, what's to come here in Tagbilaran City, especially na si Tagbilaran City, we all know na progressing na po siya. So, si Tagbilaran City is really growing in terms of the business that we have here, mga establishments na about to come here in Tagbilaran City. We all have the SM soon, no? And SM alone is like a 3 to 5 minutes drive away lang from our location. So that's one of our advantage, no, among others. So that's why we come up with another project, and that is our condominium development. So if you are curious, no, how did we come up with the name Riviera? So before, kung familiar na mo, we already had before that condo, di ba? Katong Coho project that we have, condo homes is very familiar. So, Camellia Condo Homes. So, still, Riviera gihapon ang name na to. So, wala lang na to gi-take away ang name na Riviera. It's because that name Riviera is actually emulated from French Riviera in Europe. So, but dami iban a lot are asking kung naa pa kuno yung river because it sounds like a river kuno in kuano layman's term, but no, wala tay river diha kuno. What we actually are inspiring is from Europe na French Riviera. So French Riviera kuno in Europe is a place there na very familiar in terms of luxury na lifestyle, it's in terms of sophistication. So that as well is our inspiration, no, when it comes to our project. So good afternoon, Sir Jameson. So mao na siya atong inspiration, no, in terms of our amenities that we have, the project features that we have. So later on I'll be showing you what amenities, what project features I am talking about. So, si Riviera for the location, no? So, makita na to, the location for Riviera. So, here. So, man siya si location na to si Riviera. So, we all are very familiar naman with Camellia, right? So, si Riviera, which is a 1.7 hectare na vertical village. So, we call that one a vertical village. So, 1.7 hectare is actually situated in a total of just a portion na ang condominium development sa total na 20 hectares na property ni Vistaland here in Tagbilaran City. So, all in all, we already have 3 phases na of our house and lot development. So, phase 1 to phase 3. So that in all would total to around 14 hectares. Then we have our here the condominium project, which is 1.7 hectare, and also still we have much more of Roland to for this future nato na expansion in terms of other mixed-use facilities like commercials and also other na mga facilities na we could also provide for all of our investors. So, mo na siya. And then, speaking of our location, in viable location, which means now we are very accessible to everything essential. So, let's say a shopping mall, a hospital, a school. So, even those coming from other municipalities or from other investors coming from other towns still have to travel here in Tagbilaran City just for them to access these facilities. But kita, since we are located here in Tagbilaran City, so we are the first hand, or our investors are the first hand to experience the proximity, the convenience na atong gi-offer sa ilaha. So next is, here is our whole development. So it's a 3 towers, no? So each of these towers offers 16 stories. So 16 stories per building, and then a total of 310 units per building. So it varies lang for the number of units per floor, because from 2nd up to 11th floor is 22 units na siya. So the lower ground up to the 11th floor, 22 units na siya per floor, and 12 up to 16 is 18 units na siya per floor. So let's say mostly the biggest packages na we offer, like from 2 BRs, are located at the higher floor levels. Then we also have a parking allocated, no, with a parking ratio of 1:5. That means there are only 1 parking for every 5 units. So that means na first come first serve basis ta in terms of our parking. And then 2 passenger elevators for each of our building. So for our building 1, para you have the idea now where is our building 1 among the 3 buildings is located, kani mo ni siya nga ato ang building 1, si Gracila. So actually our building 1 is called Gracila. So si Sir?
Asan ang face? Mostly
ang face, sa?
Asan na ito bang siya, ma'am?
Kung kita na to later, natay tanaw later na kuan, ma'am. So kani siya is, asa man siya ng face? Facing amenities. Oh, facing amenities ka. Atong amenities kay central man. Naka-centralize. In terms of, like, ang pangutanan ni sir is north. Yan na ba, sir? Sakto ba, sir?
Facing city.
Okay. So, kani siya is facing the, facing the city. Kay ang likod, ani sir, kay 3-line view naman. So, later on, na ako i-show ninyo nga actual aerial shot from the 16th floor. Makita nato later. So, to continue, no, our amenities are actually naka-centralized, meaning well-thought siya na ibutang at the center para all the amenities or all the units facing the amenities have that equal view, no? Equal, parang makita yun nila kung amenity view ang ilang gipili nga unit is that they have that generous amount of view for all of the amenities. So we have here our clubhouse and pavilion, our swimming pools, our play park, our pet park. So if you have clients na very particular, if our project is pet friendly, no? So yes, we are pet friendly, and actually we put up another space for them, not just in their own condo unit. Aside from that is naatay pet park for them. So dire kung makita nato, this one leads to our house and lot development. So actually, by the way, we have 2 direct access for this condominium development. So this one is coming from our house and lot development, or si Camellia, kani siya. So, and then another part is from kaning sa likod. Kung familiar mo katong diri sa Dampas gani nga road. So this as well is accessible. Balik ta. This one. This as well is accessible diri nga part, but as of now is na pa siya unpaved na portion, like a 500 meter pa na siya na wala pa totally na paved. So that's why our Usual access lang is through this, coming from our main road na sa Camellia pa. But later on, there will be an access here because it directly transcends man going to our location. So, connecting din siya.
Malabas na siya mamukanan.
Kung mudiretso ka na ma'am, is habitat ka malabas.
Habitat.
Yes. So, dire siya. So, directly good na siya accessible sa ato ang condo na project. So, that's why ang nakabutang dira is duha ka road. So, this is our development. So, muna siya atong 3 towers with 16 stories no per building. Yes, and then our clubhouse and pavilion. So, our clubhouse and pavilion. So, that's approximately 800 square meters ang atong clubhouse and pavilion. Then, we also have here our view from our central amenity by the day. Then, our view during the night. So, actually, our swimming pool is not a typical na swimming pool. So, we have here a 3-size na swimming pool. So, 1 kiddie pool and 2 adult pools. So, makita na to. This one is the kiddie pool and 2 adult pools with mini bar and pool deck at the sides. So, each of the sides has that gazebos na no. Then, play area with pet park. Tapos, sanctuary garden. So, we have here our sanctuary garden. So, among other Vista Manors project no, that we have is that si Bohol lang actually ang nag-put up of sanctuary garden as additional facility or additional amenity. Why? Because we know for a fact na our location having Bohol being parang nature, in terms of a tourist destination is that we really wanted, especially now our location is beside the Banat Hill. So makita na to, we want to capture that nature view talaga in terms of our location. So that's why we put up another amenity for those who wanted talaga to have additional breather aside from the amenities that I have already mentioned. So that's why we also have here our interior na designed na lobby with mail room. So, if I say na resort inspired or resort themed ang atong amenities, that's why we also put up a lobby for each of the building para for those na who wanted to wait no is that dili sila ma-board because even our lobby is naka interior design siya in resort inspired na design. And also, our elevator area. So, on top of each of our building, we have a sky garden. So, sky garden and roof deck. So, muna siya ang makita na to at the topmost of each of the building, no? So, additional area for those na wanted to meditate, nga na. So, medyo who wants to have that clean air, no? So, that's another part. And then, for all of our units, na-annotize advanced features. That means na na-annotize smart door lock set for our main door. So that could also be accessible through a PIN, through a key card, or if traditional ang client, pwede na po ang mechanical key. And also our smart outlets para compatible for those na mo-opt for smart appliances later on. And then for additional security is we have naka-electric perimeter fence for our condominium na vertical village. So that's it for our amenities. No? So questions? Questions or wala pa so far?
Ano ba sa usa ka building duha ka elevator?
Yes.
Provided.
Yes, ma'am.
Unya, ang parking is 1:5.
Yes. So 5 units is one parking is to 5 units na siya, ma'am. So ang location sa atong parking na sa ground floor. So wala siya basement, yeah.
Pero umamlahi ang price sa parking lot.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
5 units pa ito.
Di po dili sir, dili po necessary sir. Ang volume lang sir. Ang kadaghanon lang sa ato ang parking is dili tanan. Yes.
Normal ba yan na? Kaya 1:8?
1:8, yeah,
Okay,
we
normal.
perform.
First come, first
Pero mas
serve.
better ang 1:5.
Mas better yun, di ba? Kaya 1:5. Ang regular, then 1:8.
Yes.
Space.
But what if mamuka na si client na to na ang mga car, mga Muslim, mga tao no? Napa extra nga space ana magsagili din na sa pundo nga pwede mo apart.
Ito sa house eh.
Hindi. Naman po tayo, puhon ma'am. Kato akong ipakita ma'am. We still have addition, kani ma'am. Kani ma'am. Possible maguni siya for our mixed use, other mixed use na facilities. So naapag yun tayo additional space, di mag-all kay in a 20 hectare, murag around 15 hectares pa ang ato ang na-utilize for that. So we still have additional
1.7 mangguad sa
condo lang, yes. So muna siya.
Sa floor ang pinakataas sa studio. Like building 1.
Taman sa 16th floor na.
Yung daw, 1 PR, 2 PR.
Di, mostly sir, kay 18 units naman ang ibabaw. Pero naghapoy studios. Wala. Ang facing amenity, facing the city view is taman lang, kung studio, taman lang 11th floor. Yes.
Pila ka po?
Pero naapay studio facing the tree line.
Di sa building 1 ay open.
Naatay, kuan,
11th floor, pila ka units ang city view.
4 units lang na siya per floor. Balitan mo.
Lalagyan din mga kunda.
Bito na ana, later on, I'll be discussing sir.
Four units.
Yes, na ana siya. So, mo ni siya si building 1, si Gracila, no? So, on the ground floor is our, as I've said, this is the parking. Then, also the building entrance. Then, second floor up to the 16th floor is our residential units. And the roof deck and sky garden at the topmost floor. So, mo ni siya itong stacking diagram, no? So, mo ni siya ang atuang actual na aerial shot. So, makita na to, this is our facing the tree line. So, kung ibalik na to tong beef kani siya, mo ni siya ang sa likod. Back portion. Kani akong gipakita.
Muto nga aerial.
Yes.
So, ang city,
Kani siya ang facing sa kuan sir. Makita ba diri sir? Actually building 1 magud ni ang atong gikuan og area shot, pero ang tulo ka building sir, lahi magud ang orientation. So kung makita na to ang
tuluyo ang building 1.
kani magud siya si building 2 actually ang facing directly gyud sa city. Kani siya. Si building 1 is kaning center.
So, mag-una ka sa building 1.
Yes, building 1 kita sir.
Ano sa common parking lang?
Ha?
Atong gingon niya na for future.
1:5 ang kuan sir. Oo.
Ako itong balik dyan sa bro.
Hindi na makita ang dapat mo.
Horizon ra gid ang ma-offer ma'am. Horizon ang ma-offer ma'am sa dagat. Actually naay dagat nga view pero ambot ma-consider pa ba siya sea view bitaw. So naa siya horizon and then kani siya facing that sa likod.
Garden tingnan mo sa deck.
Yeah. And then kani siya from 16th floor pod nga height.
Mo na siya balati ma'am.
Yes, mo ni siyang banati. And then diri pohon ang amenity area. So visible ra pod ang ato ang house and lot na development. So mo ni siya ang ato ang amenity portion later on. So kani banat ina ni siya. So mo ni siya ang road kito og gipasabot na lagbas ni siya sa habitat. Yes. And then kani dagat na ni. 16th floor, yes. Horizon lang po.
Pero mawala ni mga swimming pool sa taas.
Wala. Wala na swimming pool sa taas. So, mo ni siya ato ang floor plate for 2nd to 11th floor.
1.6 studio.
So, mo ni siya akong gingon, Sir James.
Asa mo
2, kani. 1, 2, and 1, 2. 4 units per floor from 2nd to 11. Then, na po siya studio facing the tree line. So, actually, we have 2 types of view, the amenity view and the tree line view.
Excuse me, pero area sa studio ma'am.
Area for studio 23.76. Yeah, I'll be discussing also that one month. So kani is for 12 to 16th floor. Kani siya. Ang 18 units per floor. So our biggest package offering is 2BR Flexi with balcony nga 63.33 square meters. So aside from it's a 2BR, 2 toilets and bath na also ni siya. So 2 toilets and bath. So the other toilet is directly located within the bedroom 1. And then the other one could also be considered as a common CR, common toilet and bath. Then, that's why it's called Flexi for a purpose because na siya extra bare room, this one, na pwede gamiton ni client as, depende sila as option, additional ba nilang pantry or a space room, a service room, or an extension of their living area. So, depende na ni client. That's why it's a 5.15 square meters na den. We call it a den. So, that's why it's called Flexi. Kaya flexible. Depende how client would play around with this additional space na siya. So, for its location, located from 12 to 16th level only, 4 units per floor. So, kani siya na offering is at 12th floor to 16th level lang ni siya. Located with 4 units ni siya per floor. So, si 2BR Flexi. We also have 2BR with balcony. So, wala na siya atong additional space. And then, 1 toilet and bath na din siya. So, for each of the bedroom, 10 square meters ang size. Then, the access to the balcony is through the bedroom 1. So, mani siya ang iyahang location is naa siya 2nd to 11th level up to 16th floor is corner. Naa siya sa particular ni siya facing 3 line. If your client is considering, especially kung may mga igsuo, no, kung ganahan tapad sila nga units, no, is mo ni siya ang nindot atong i-offer because tapad ang at both ends, no, tapad lang ang tag 2 units nato nga 2BR. Yes, 2BR with balcony facing the yes, the 3 line na siya. Then we also have 1BR Flexi with balcony na 41.65. So this one also has another extra room, but this time a much bigger space na siya. Kung previously sa 2BR is 5.15 lang ang atuang den, this one is 8.26. So remember na atuang bedroom 1 is 8.84 and our den is 8.26, which means na pwede good nilang gamiton siya as additional na bedroom. So if bedroom ang ilahang diri sa additional space, this one, if they wanted that one to become a bedroom, so that would be considered as a 2BR na siya. So especially if your client could only afford a 1BR and then ganahan sila nga 2BR unta ilang ganahan kay duha sila managsuon or naay other occupants, so pwede ra gid nila i-consider si 1BR Flexi because this then nga 8.26 is dako. Yes, pwede talaga nila i-compare compare to the other bedroom. So and also the access to the balcony is through this den. Which means na if ganan si client nga an extension lang of their living area, especially kung naay mga gathering sila, is pwede ra po. This one is just enclosed with a glass wall partition.
Ang bed,
concrete. Ang sa sir?
Ang atong bedroom concrete.
Yes, kanilang siya sir ang kuan sir. Nakakuan para optional mo gud client, flexible in terms of unsaon nila pag naka-glass wall din, dili po to the ceiling height. 2.10 meters lang po ang height. So, na-option si client. So, for the location, kani siya is facing the amenity. 2 units lang siya per floor. Yes, up to the 16th floor. Amenity view. So, nindot kayo siya in terms of kuan kay naka-corner unit na siya. Then, all facing the amenity. And then, 2 units lang siya per floor. For up to the 16th floor. So, pinaka-highest for this 1BR Flexi na ata until the 16th floor. So, as high as 16th floor facing the amenity. So, next, we have our 1BR. So, na 34.57. So, if you could notice, wala na siya yung balcony. So, 1BR Flexi up ang atuang with balcony. So, ang size sa bedroom ani is 9.08. This one. So, ano siya. And then, the living area. And then, 1 toilet and bath. So, for the location, although scattered naman, if your client would want na dito facing sa likod, naapod tayo offering na 2 units na siya per floor. And then, if they want na katong facing na amenity, naapod gihapon ta, 4 units na siya per floor. So, a total of 6 units per floor for 2nd to 11th level. But, from 12 to 16th is wala na facing amenity. All facing na 3-line view na ta for 1 DR. So, and our most affordable na package, our studio na 23.76. So, this one, wala na siya partition, wala na siya naka-enclose. So, it's like a hotel type na pod na studio unit. So, depende na sa client na to, no? How would they play around with this 9.69 square meter na living space. Pwede nilang himong bedroom if they're planning to have it rented like for Airbnb. So, the total space is 23.76. So, for the location, we have 4 units facing the amenity from 2nd to 11th level. And then 6 units facing the 3 lines. So that's total of 10 units per floor up to 11th level. And then all facing 3 line pa, 6 units per floor, 12 to 16th level. Wala na balcony, sir. Oo. Ang studio, wala ta balcony. So, one siya ang atuang studio unit. So, for our unit deliverables, in case na ay mag-ask, no, we deliver it with tiles na, naka-glass sliding windows. Then for our main door, naka-smart door na siya lock set. Then kitchen, naka-natural granite countertop na ta. Then upgraded na po atong foot and overhead na cabinets as to soft closing na siya cabinets. Then naka-gooseneck kitchen faucet na ta. For the toilets, we have the usual fixtures, no? But for the shower wall, naka-full tiled na ta na. Then, may towel holder na ta and bidet. So, for all units na with balcony units, no? Still painted finish na ni siya ato ang balcony. So, for the price, of course, no? Very ano ta with the price. So, we start at 4.9. So, the that's for studio unit na 23.76. So, our reservation fee is 20,000, then a monthly down payment of 13,400 for 54 months. So, actually, this is still an introductory price. So, still, for presentation purposes or may change, no? And then, we have, from 1 DR, we have 7.2. And then, our highest package na 13.2 with a monthly of 35,000 for 54 months. So why 54 months? It's because our target delivery for our building 1, no, is in after the 54 months. So right after mahuman ang atong client sa iyang down payment na 54 months is like readily available na ang unit for loan release and for turnover. Depende on client's financing. So, mano siya ang ato ang introductory na price. Yes.
Turnover na siya after 54 months?
Turnover depende sa financing. So, kung mag-bank financing siya, still has to go with the loan release na sa bank loan or kung spot cash or depende ni client. Basta within, mas dali, mas 54. Yes. Ang whole building ato ang target na.
For your eyes only.
Yes. So, yeah. So, that's our Gracila Building 1, no? So, we have here our contact number. Para in case na amoy mga questions or you have client presentations, you may save our contact number para we can, in case maglisod pa tayo in terms of the details, pwede ra gyud kaayo kami ang mag-present sa inyong client. So, nara mo sa kilid para mag-guide na to ang inyong client if they have questions as well, no? So, other questions?
Ang amenities.
Yes, sir.
Niya, gatubang sa Camellia Homes.
Gaatubang.
Natubang na.
Dili, sir.
Pakilid gamay.
Kilid, oo.
Padung sa...
Padung
sa bukid.
Ay, actually, sir, di ba, phase 3.
Okay.
Di ba, kanang na-board up. Naka-ato na ba ta, sir? Kaya na-board up. Ang enter na to ana actually the amenities na dayon. Amenities na. Balik
amenities na mga materials, mga like
condo juice. We have condo juice ma'am for the maintenance, for the insurance sa building. Naagid na ma'am. Oo, naagid.
monthly or
Monthly. Oo, monthly na siya.
Si Miss Henny, si Ma'am Henny.
Yes, si Ma'am
Division head
Henny.
siya sa whole Visayas lang.
Dili po, Dumaguete
Sa
Bohol
Rivera.
lang.
Sa Rivera rapod.
Dumaguete Bohol projects.
All projects.
Yes, like pwede siya Camel.
In one unit, duha or three sila ka-owner. Ka ng isang labod-pod nga.
Co-owner.
Co-ownership ba?
Makaya sa ilang monthly.
Pratong po.
Pwede. Pwede ma'am.
Pwede.
Yes. Pwede na siya.
Like sa other.
Yes, possible na siya.
Like kung may plans na
Ano sa sir?
Financing
The same paghapon ta sir. We have RCBC, BDO, Union Bank, Security Bank, Maybank. Yes, kami mag-process. So, by the way, before ko makalimot, that's why nakalimot kong announce, no? Since we are still at pre-selling or LOI period, so, if we are kanang kuan ano, kanang seasoned na gyud na condo seller, we are very familiar na ang highest level, especially those facing the amenity ka, mas mahal. Di ba, sakto? Mao gyud na ang mas pricey compared sa naa sa lower ground. But for Riviera, all units of the same area, no, from 2nd up to the 16th floor is the same price. Which means na your
Paris view sa term ito.
tanang view, mapa amenity or mapa 3 line, 4.9 na gyapon ang studio.
How about the lower?
Same ma'am. Pare-pareho.
Actually,
Privilege actually ni client to choose kung ganahan sila.
Si Prema na yun.
Oo.
Okay, so when kaya mo gusto na ito.
Oh, yes. Yes ma'am. Pero karon kung ganahan si client ka ato sila sa kinaibang buwan, then mas prioritize sila kung mas ma-reserve nila as early.
mas nice mabudan mo
Ubos.
Ubos.
Like ako.
Pareha sa henna daw mo siya, henna. At saka sa ubos kay doon dali ka
Sa pool, sa amenities.
Mahal man to.
Yung mga to, ubos. Ang mga mahal.
Tungod po na sa view, makita ang gudin mo sa ibabaw. Di ni mo makita sa ubos, di ba? Sa to.
Okay.